Hello, we are Telemechatronics. In the last video, we practiced output function like digital output and PWM. In this video, we will practice input functions such as digital input, analog input, and pulse input. Please prepare it before the practice. Until the last video, we used Cube for practice, but today, we will use the 35-pin controller called Compact 035. So please check its pin map carefully. Run the codices and create a project for Compact 035. Let's start with the digital input among input functions. We will use the switch to input the digital input, and LED will turn on when receiving the input value. Among pins applied to digital input in Compact 035, we will use the pin 14. Set the pin 14 of Compact 035 as DI in the CAN setup tool. To check the output with LED, set the pin 1 as DO and check if the gateway is turned off and upload the setting to the device. And come back to codices. When we create a project for Compact 035, unlike Cube, there's one more menu called I/O drive value control, which is the part that controls the current output. We will explain detail of it another video. Our composition is same as Cube. Now move to internal I/O mapping in I/O drive and map the pins for switch input and LED output. If you don't know how to do in pin mapping, please watch the reference video above. Go to PLC PRZ and write the code like this to practice DI and DO. Check if there is no error through the build process and download it to the device. When you click the switch, the high value input to the digital input pins and LED turn on after receiving the signal. From now on, we will practice the analog input. We will change the voltage of reference 5 volt by using potentiometer to input to the analog input pin. The LED will turn on when the value of analog input is over a certain value. Set the function of pin 16 as AI in the CAN setup tool to receive the input of analog input. When you set analog input like this, threshold will change to 0 to 6.6 volt. You can see the input range in the CAN setup tool. As a reference, the range between 0 to 6.6 volt is recognized as 16-bit. And same as before, set one of the output pin to DO for LED output and upload it to the device. Go back to codices and do pin mapping in internal I/O mapping from I/O drive for analog input and LED output. Write a code like this. And check there is no error through the build process and download it to the device and start the program. The LED will turn on when the analog input value is over 25,000 by rotating potentiometer. In this video, we will practice about the digital input and analog input. In the next video, we will explain the current and value control of Compaq 035. Thank you.